Welcome folks to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making peach dumplings. It's a quick recipe and peaches are real popular right now. They're in season, and this is a small recipe for just probably 2 people. You can always double the recipe if you want to put it in a 13 by 9, and it's only got just a few ingredients and it's going to be delicious. So let's get started. I've got crescent rolls. I'm going to roll out. I've got 1 peach here that I've cut and made 8 slices. I washed it real good, scrubbed it, washed it, and I left the peel on it. And I kind of scraped off that center where it's dark. And I've got it cut into 8 pieces. I've got my pastry, my croissants. I've separated them, half of it anyway, into 4, and then I'm going to do the other 4. It's going to make 8 dumplings. And I've got my oven to 350. And you're going to take your peach and you're going to lay it at the top where it's wide. And you're going to roll it. Roll the peach in the croissant. And pinch the ends. And we're going to put it, I'm using an 8 by 8 pan. I've sprayed it with a little cooking spray. We're going to take another wedge and we're going to roll it. Wrap that peach in it. Kind of pinch the ends so it won't come undone. It's going to look like that. You don't have to be real pretty. We're going to make the sauce. It's 3/4 cup of sugar. I got a saucepan here. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1 stick of butter. I'm going to cut mine up some so it'll melt. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I've taken it off the eye. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla in this mixture. And we're going to mix it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Now we're going to pour it over the dumplings. Make sure everybody gets some of this deliciousness. Oh, it smells so good. Just keep pouring over it until it all gets covered. That last bit in there. See, it'll be like that. It won't be all the way melted. A little grainy looking. It's good. Delicious. Now this is the kicker. I'm using 3/4 cup of Sprite. Any lime flavored drink will do. And we're going to pour it right over it. This is the sauce. It's going to be delicious. Then we're going to sprinkle cinnamon on top. I think I'll just, a 1/2 teaspoon goes, but I'm just going to wing it. And that's all there is to it. That's what it looks like. We're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. It all depends on how hot your oven is. The peach dumplings are out of the oven. They look delicious. Oh my goodness, look at that juice, that crusty brown. This is so much quicker than making a cobbler. Oh my goodness. These are so quick and easy. I have a cobbler recipe. If you want the full-blown recipe, it's down in the description. I wanted to do something fast. It's hot, summertime, and these are going to be wonderful. It don't take no time to fix, just a few ingredients. And when I said, I think I mentioned lime soda, lemon lime. I use Sprite, but you can use 7-Up, any kind of drink like that. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite fruit is to make a cobbler or dumplings. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Now, before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection links for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to auntsandykitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. And if this video really helped you, scroll down and look for the thank you button. It's called a super thanks, and it means more than you'll ever know. God bless, and we'll see you in the kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.